welcome to my channel. My name is Emily Mattingly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm super inspired today. I went and I got my hair done and then that made me feel really good and I finished setting up the rest of my lights, so I'm still kind of working on it, but then I got so excited about that, I'm like, I want to film something. I just did a video on the Jaclyn Hill palette. All of the eyeshadows I used are from that palette. I just went ahead and just did my whole face, and I'm about to go take it off and go to sleep, which is so sad. I love the way that it turned out. It is so gorgeous. If you want to get the makeup look that I'm wearing right now, full face and all, I will see you guys in the next clip, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hey guys, so I just took all my makeup off that I was wearing all day and I put moisturizer on about 15 minutes ago. So let's get started. So to start our full face makeup look, I'm going to be using the foundation by Kat Von D. Apply it with the Real Techniques sponge. It is so pretty. What's so crazy about this foundation is you look glowy when you're applying it, but then it dries completely. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color Light Medium. I'm going to use my finger. Love this concealer. This is another new thing that I just got and I love the formulation. I go back and get a shade that's 2 times lighter for underneath my eyes, but other than that, formulation is amazing. Then I'm going to set everything with the Kat Von D translucent setting powder. It's so big. I'm actually going to be using the Dip Brow pomade, and I haven't used this stuff in years. I am gonna go put this on, and I am in the shade Medium Brown. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 15 brush, and I'm just going to apply my brows really quickly. This will be the first time that I am actually using this palette on camera. I'm going to use a MAC 224 brush, and we are going to be using, oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. I gotta think, what do I want to do? The first color we're gonna use is a matte color. We're gonna put this in our crease. So freaking gorgeous, and I am going to be applying lashes, so I'm going to raise this transition color up a little higher because once I put my lashes on, you won't be able to see the eyeshadow, like, unless my eyes are closed or I'm looking at something. Same brush, dipping it in very lightly and doing the same thing. I think I know how I'm gonna wear my makeup to work. Then I'm going to be using the, actually this doesn't have a name, it's just like a little flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using the color Rocks, and it's just, she's speaking to me a little. We're gonna focus this on the outer corner and pulling it inwards just a smidge. Yes. Oh honey, yes, yes, yes. This Anastasia brush that came with one of their palettes. I'm going to use the fluffy end. I'm going to really concentrate in this on the outer corners, not bringing it in so much. I'm just like dabbing it. Oh, look at that. Look at the intensity. Do you see this? Do you see this? So pretty. Firework just a little bit. I don't know how crazy I am about it. This is cran apple. And we're gonna put that right on top to make it look a little pinker. We're gonna bring it in. Oh, now that is gorgeous. Use a little bit of mocha, that's like a matte brownish color, and add a little bit more dimension. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. This is one of my favorites. This is gonna take forever. I'm going to do a wing eyeliner and then I'm going to apply the 120 Demi lashes from Ardell Natural, and I will be right back. I'm going to be taking the color Powder again and putting that underneath. This brush also doesn't have a name, but a small tapering brush. A bit of Hilster. I can't. It's just so gorgeous. OFRA eyeliner in black, and just do my waterline real quick. The Benefit Their Real mascara. A little bit on my top lash line, and then I'm gonna do my bottom. Just so I know how much blush I'm gonna need, I'm gonna use my lip color first so I know how intense to go onto the cheeks, so that if this is super bold, then I'm obviously not gonna put that much blush on. So for lips, we are going to be using the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in Hawkwind, and it's a super pretty, like, warm undertoned brown. For blush, I'm going to be using this Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Paaarty. And it has like 3 A's in it, that's why I said it all weird. But it just looks like this. I'm going to apply a little bit on my cheekbones. And then for a highlight, I'm going to be using the Glow Sugar Kit. Sedona Lace FB01 Gumdrop. So good. We're gonna take it like a little bit underneath the brow bone. Using Gumdrop. Yes. Gorgeous! Look at the eye. I'm just like, yes. Yes. That's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This was so much fun to finally get my hands involved into the Jaclyn Hill palette. If you guys decide to recreate or do something similar, please tag me on my Instagram and show me the look that you did. Okay, so I'm gonna get off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you liked videos like this. Definitely go check out the previous video where I swatched every single color, and yes, I got the names right in it as well. So go check that out. I'll link it down in the description bar. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. It means so much to me, and I just keep saying so much, and I love it, I love it, I love it, and I love you guys so much. Yeah. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!